Alright, this is Said from affiliateship.com, and thanks for watching this video. And in this video I want to answer a common question, which is, can you do affiliate marketing from home? The simple answer is absolutely. So one of the big benefits of affiliate marketing is that you can literally work from anywhere as long as you have a computer or a laptop and an internet connection. So this in effect allows you to work from anywhere as long as you've got those things, and of course from home. So in fact, many people would love to work from home due to their own circumstances, for example, family, health, other reasons which they're unable to work in a workplace or outside of the home. So for those reasons, affiliate marketing is a perfect work from home business, as you also can work around your time and lifestyles. However, having said that, there are some downsides to working from home. One of the major issues is that sometimes you may get too comfortable and end up not doing much work. Another issue I face myself is distractions and noise from family members. Yes, I understand that you can't tell everyone to be quiet in the house when you're working. At the end of the day, it's a home. Family members should be able to be themselves, live freely, and do what they want to when they want to. So I'm all for that, and that's all good. So one workaround I do myself is to wake up early and get a couple of hours working before everyone starts to wake up. So when it comes to working from home, you must stay disciplined and be strict about your work time and leisure time, and separate them. Otherwise, both times could blend in with each other, and it could have a negative impact on your affiliate marketing business. So for example, when I'm home, most of the work I'll do is earlier hours in the morning, as mentioned, because of my circumstances. For me, that works best. In your circumstance, it could be different. You'll know when is the best time for you to work. And once you know, just stick to your routine, get to work, and even if it's 30 minutes of work per day, it all adds up and accumulates. So here's a quote that is so true. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in, day out. So success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in, day out. And that was from Robert Collier. So as I said, even if it's a few minutes a day, do put the work in and it will all accumulate, add up. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you like this video, and if you'd like some free resources on how to earn income online with affiliate marketing, please visit affiliateship.com/free, or click the link in the YouTube description below. So that's it. Thanks for now. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.